Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To put M4R ringtones on your iPhone, first connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Drag the M4R ringtone file into the iTunes library, or use the File menu to add the file to your library. Next, connect your iPhone and select it within iTunes. Go to the Tones section under On My Device, and ensure Sync Tones is checked. Finally, select the ringtones you wish to sync to your iPhone and click Apply. Your custom ringtone should now be installed on your device.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.